Hand editing shader keywords one by one is a form of digital self-flagellation. You hit that 256 global keyword wall, and suddenly every build is a crapshoot. Shader control inside this bundle is a razor. It prunes unused shader variants automatically, slashing build times and project size. It identifies every keyword your project never uses and strips them before the compiler ever sees them. Editor Dr. Pro runs 120 plus health checks across your entire project. Prefabs, scripts, build settings. It calculates a health score and offers one-click fixes that are fully reversible. That means you can audit without fear of breaking your nested prefab hell. With a 4.83 rating from over 40 developers, the support is legendary. One reviewer said they cut their build size by 40% in a single afternoon. Bulk editing is missing. You will manually save each keyword change, and if you touch third-party shaders without a backup, you may break rendering. Git discipline is mandatory. $64.79 with a 10% discount. That is cheaper than one night of debugging shader compile loops. Grab it now. Your memory budget is hemorrhaging polygons from unoptimized modular armors. This bundle gives you a library that won't tank your draw calls or force you to rebuild every character from scratch. The modular design is the real deal. Every armor piece, weapon, and prop snaps together like Lego for medieval fantasy. You can mix dwarves, elves, orcs, all from the same rigging skeleton. No more reanimating per character type. It ships with URP support out of the box, and the developer is active on Discord. If a shader breaks your lightmap bake, you get a fix within hours, not weeks. A perfect 4.9 from 10 reviews. One user called it the backbone of their fantasy RPG after swapping out their own hand-painted trash. Some users recommend waiting for a major update if you need the absolute latest features. The existing library is solid, but future expansions are still in roadmap. $300, 50% off from $600. That is a steal for a complete modular character set that saves weeks of modeling. Manually baking skybox gradients for every time of day is a crime against iteration speed. This system eliminates that nonsense with a real-time day-night cycle. The dynamic skybox swaps seamlessly from dawn to dusk. It includes fake volumetric fog that looks convincing enough for any mobile title, and the weather shader handles rain, wetness, and snow with tessellation that actually leaves tracks on terrain. Integration with Game Creator 2 and the visual engine means you can hook weather events into your quest system without writing custom glue code. The 8-layer parallax shader with macro variation kills tiling patterns. Only one review so far, but it's a perfect 5. Early adopters report 0 garbage collection spikes during weather transitions. URP only, no HDRP or built-in support. If you are on the old pipeline, you will need to upgrade before using this. $27.99 at 30% off. Cheaper than a single asset with half the features. Your baked light maps are taking 15 minutes to build and breaking every time you move a prop. HTrace gives you real-time global illumination with 0 pre-processing. It supports all rendering paths, deferred, forward, deferred plus, with no visual quality loss between them. That means you can switch pipelines at runtime without rebaking your entire scene. Dynamic lighting and moving objects? No problem. HTrace recalculates each frame so you can drop a torch-carrying NPC into a dark room and the GI updates instantly. No more hand-placing probe volumes. No reviews yet. This is a beta release. The developer is active on Discord and promises bug fixes within days. Still in beta. MSAA is untested. Orthographic cameras may break. Stick with LTS releases and expect occasional crashes until stable. $29.50. Half off the eventual stable price. Grab it now before the price goes up. Hand tweaking particle curves for every explosion effect is a productivity black hole. This pack drops 75 ready-to-use prefabs that won't melt your GPU. 36 magic circles in 6 colors, 9 explosion variants, buffs, boosters, hits, healing, and utility, all built with Unity's built-in particle system. 0 external dependencies, so no shader graph compilation delays. Mobile optimized from the ground up. Low draw calls, lightweight textures. These effects run at 60 frames per second on a 3-year-old device. No more frame drops during critical combat moments. No reviews yet, but the asset has been downloaded over 100 times in the first week. Early feedback on Discord is positive. Only the built-in particle system is used. If you need GPU particles or VFX graph, you will have to convert them yourself. $8, half price from $16. That is less than a coffee per effect. Buy it before the discount expires. Your animation state machine is bloated from individually imported monster sprites. This pack gives you 50 fully animated enemy characters with a single consistent rig. Each character comes with essential motion sets: idle, walk, attack, hurt, death. No more hunting for missing animations mid-development. The categories cover aliens, ants, bats, bees, ghosts, golems, skeletons, and more. When combined with the Minimal series, your entire game keeps a unified visual style. The sprites are simple but readable, perfect for casual and wave-based gameplay. No reviews yet. The asset launched recently, but the developer's previous packs have solid ratings and active support. 2D only, no 3D models. If your game uses 3D characters, this pack cannot help you. $35, half off the list price of $70. That is 70 cents per fully animated enemy. Insane value. Creating convincing possession animations from scratch is an exercise in frustration. This pack delivers 76 root motion animations that actually look scary. Categories include possession sequences, drag attacks, flying charges, head slams, wall crawls, and scare idols. Each animation is root motion or in place, you choose. The variety covers everything from slow, creepy walks to violent flailing. Because there are no models included, you can drop these onto any humanoid rig. Just retarget and go. No more dealing with broken biped hierarchies. No reviews yet. The developer's other animation packs average 4 stars, so quality is consistent. Models are not included. You must supply your own character mesh and configure the avatar. This is an animation-only pack. $10, half off $20. That is 13 cents per animation, cheaper than a Happy Meal. Your editor-style debugging tools vanish the moment you build a standalone. RTGUI brings inspector windows and debug panels into your runtime without adding megabytes of overhead. It is entirely code-first using Unity's IMGUI. No visual UI builder, no prefab wiring. You program your tools in C# and they appear as dockable windows inside your game. Perfect for building runtime-level editors or diagnostic overlays. 0 scene dependency means you can instantiate your tools from any script. The reflection-based auto-discovery finds your panels automatically. No more manual registration lists that rot over time. No reviews yet. The publisher is known for solid dev tools, and the demo projects show clear, usable code. If you hate writing direct IME code, this is not for you. There is no visual designer. You must be comfortable with Unity's legacy GUI system. $22.50, half off $45. That is a bargain for a framework that saves you from rebuilding debug tools per project. Placeholder VFX turn a badass gunfight into a wet noodle fight. This pack gives you 23 realistic shooter effects that actually sell the impact. Bullet hits, explosions, fire attacks, rockets, bombs, target markers, power shots, chains of explosions, falling bombs, casings, rain, and arcane shots, all as ready-to-use prefabs. The shader graph effects are optimized for URP and HDRP by default. Texture sizes top out at 2048 by 2048 for explosions, with smaller VFX textures down to 64 by 64. This balance keeps visual fidelity high without destroying memory on mobile builds. No reviews yet. The developer's previous VFX packs average 4.5 stars, so the quality bar is consistent. Requires shader graph for full functionality. If your project is on built-in, you will need to convert the materials or upgrade the pipeline. $17.50, half off $35. For 23 effects, that is less than $1 each. Buy it before the price jumps. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Your casual game portal is a monolith of copy-pasted code. This toolkit enforces a clean iMinigame contract, so you can drop in new games without refactoring. Each of the 10 included games implements the iMinigame interface and builds its own UI procedurally at runtime inside any rec transform. Zero prefab wiring means you can swap games by changing a single line of code. Reflection-based auto-discovery scans all your assemblies, no manual registration lists. The HCE core integrates ads, IAP, save data, and audio out of the box. A global reskin manager lets you swap all sprites from one location, perfect for white label publishing. Every game is data-driven from a single config file. No reviews yet. The asset includes playable demos on web and Android, so you can test the architecture before buying. Reflection-based scanning adds a small startup cost. If you have 200 assemblies, the first load will be a few frames slower, not a deal breaker for most casual games. $25, half off $50. That is $2.50 per game template, each with a full monetization pipeline. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.